So in this recording, we'll see how we can integrate Vertex AI agents with Google Cloud Functions. So basically, we'll create an agent and give it a tool. That tool will be capable of invoking a Google Cloud function to get information from an external source. So let's see how the flow is. The flow will be like this. So this is me. I want to know about celebrities. So when I ask the agent, tell me about Elon Musk or any other celebrity, the agent should be able to take my prompt, call a endpoint, which is a Google Cloud function exposed as an endpoint. So here it will take the celebrity name, which is the service endpoint for the Google Cloud function. The Google Cloud function will have the logic to take the celebrity name, call the Wikipedia endpoint to get information about Elon Musk and give that information to me. We'll see how we can set it up in Vertex AI Agent Builder. So first we'll see how we can create the cloud function. So let me go here. So this is the cloud function that I have written, Google Cloud Function. So if you look at it, the source of the code is this, where, so I created, it's a Flask based application. So I created an endpoint, or route celebrity name. It's a get method, and this is the logic. So when I give the request, the celebrity name is extracted from the request, and then this is what I use in the from the Wikipedia page. So I imported Wikipedia. So I said Wikipedia summary, celebrity name, and first two sentences from that Wikipedia page, and then I return the content, the result of the information about the celebrity name. So this is the code, and then in the requirements.txt, I have Wikipedia, because this is something that it needs to pip install, right? This is what I have created. I'll quickly show you how I created the function, but this recording is not to show how to use Google Cloud Function, but let me quickly show how I did it. So after you go to Google Cloud Function from your Google console, create function. I created a second generation function. I gave it a name, get celebrity name. I'll make it 01 because I already have the other name. And I said trigger type is HTTPS. Since I don't want to integrate with authentication, I said allow unauthenticated invocation here. And then I said next. And this, I went here. I said I need to create it in Python 3.11, and this is where I actually put the code that I showed you. So the code was this. This is the code, right? So I put the code, and in the requirements I said Wikipedia, and then I just clicked deploy, right? That's what I did to create the cloud function. Now let's go to Vertex AI Agent Builder and see how we created the agent. So not this one. This one is the old one. Okay. So this is where I created the agent and the tool. So first, let me show you how we created the tool. So I clicked on tool. This is the tool that I have created. Name is celebrity name is what I have given it. Type open API, right? There are many types open API. And then I gave the description. This tool retrieves information of celebrity based on the provided celebrity name. And this is the open API specification that I attached in this tool, right? So the open API specification is where I am specifying how to invoke this API. And this is what the agent will use based on the prompt that I'll give it, right? So the title is Celebrity Information Retrieval API. So when we write this OpenAPI specification, we need to be very, very explicit, because the descriptions are what the agent uses to match the prompt with the API. And the description is API to retrieve celebrity information based on celebrity name. Server, this is where my that Lambda, or sorry, the Google Cloud function is deployed, right? It's a Cloud Run, Google Cloud Run instance, which is nothing but, I think underneath its Kubernetes and Docker is a service. So this is where the Google Cloud function is deployed, and my service endpoint is celebrity name. So if you see this, so if I go back to my function and go to the source, this is the service endpoint that I have defined, and exactly that is what I have mentioned here, right? And it's a get operation. I gave a summary of the service endpoint and a description, which is nothing but that it returns the celebrity information based on celebrity name. Then get celebrity info is the operation ID, which is nothing but the operation ID, right? This is the function name, right? And then the parameter it takes. So it's a the parameter it takes, it's a celebrity name is a parameter, and it takes a query parameter. Like query parameter is like, well, it's a question mark celebrity name equal to some Elon Musk, let's say, right? Description, the name of the celebrity, this is required, right? And the response that will get back is a celebrity information. I need it in an application like in a JSON format, and the JSON format would be like this. There will be a celebrity name, which I have given, and the content of the information that I get from the celebrity name, right? So this is the tool that I have created. And then when I created the agent, so this is how I created the agent, gave it a name, I gave it a goal. Your task is to retrieve the information of a celebrity based on the celebrity name provided by the user. Then I gave it the instruction, grid the user and ask which celebrity information does the user wants. Then I said use tool celebrity name to get the information about the celebrity. And this is the tool that I am attaching to the agent. I gave it some examples. The first example is where I have correctly given the spelling of the celebrity name. So I said, hi, the agent says, hi, welcome to the celebrity information retrieval system. Which celebrity is of interest to you today? Monisha Koirala, she is a famous Indian actress. Right? I said Manisha Koirala. So, okay, let me get you information about Manisha. It calls the tool. Right? This is the tool, celebrity name, get celebrity info is the action name. It captures the celebrity name, and this is the content that it outputs, right? And then it gives information about Manisha Koirala. Then user says, thank you. Do you want to look for anyone else? User says, I'm good for now. So agent says, thanks and have a great day. Now, the incorrect celebrity name is where everything is same, but I misspell Manisha Koirala. Then when it tries to find the name and calls the invokes a tool, the tool will give a 500 server error, right? Because the name is spelled wrong, right? In that case, agent will say, I could not find that information. Are you sure you spelled the name correctly? Then I'll correct the name, and then it will call the tool again and finally get me the information, right? This is how I have created the agent. So now let's try it out, right? So let's say I say, hi. So it will say, welcome to the celebrity information retrieval system. What do you want to know? Who do you want to know about? Okay, this time let me say Elon Musk. Okay, Elon Musk. Let's see what it does. So now it is trying to get information. Okay, so it could not. So maybe Elon Musk name is not correct. So let me see if I go to Wikipedia. If I, how is Elon Musk name mentioned? Yeah, it is there. So, okay, let me try again. Okay, try the one I gave. I don't know why it did not find it. Let's see. Okay, for some reason it is not able to find Elon Musk. Let me try something else, right? Let me say, okay, try Sundar Pichai. Let's see what it does. Okay, so it was able to get Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai born 10, 1972, better known as Sundar Pichai, is an Indian born American business executive, is the chief executive officer of Alphabet Inc. So which it actually got it from the internet. So I'm not sure why it did not get Elon Musk. Let's try somebody else. Uh, Please get me the information of Satya Nadella. I hope I spelled it correctly. Let's see what it does. Okay, this one also it did very well. Satyanarayan Nadella is an Indian American business executive. He is the executive chairman, CEO of Microsoft, succeeding Steve Ballmer. Right. So if I see it correctly, so okay. So it was able to get the information by calling the tool. Let us try little more difficult thing, where I'll give two celebrities and see what it does. Can you or I want information about Joe Biden and who else can I give? And uh, Donald Trump. Let's see. You know about Joe Biden or Donald Trump? Hmm. Okay. So I can only provide information of one person at a time. So okay, Joe Biden. Let's see. Okay, Joe Biden, it could not find. Okay. Why it could not find Joe Biden? Let's see. It is there. So sometimes it is not able to get. Okay, let's see. Okay, give me the information of Donald Trump. See what it did. Okay, it was able to give Donald Trump. Can you try Joe Biden again? For some reason, it's not able to give Joe Biden. Okay, let me try one more and then I'll close this recording. Let's say this time we'll do a movie actor. Tell me about uh, who? Tell me about uh, okay, I'm forgetting a lot of names. The names are not coming. Okay. Um, okay, so a Hindi actor, right? A famous Hindi actor, Shah Rukh Khan. Let's see. Sometime. Wow. So Shah Rukh Khan pronounced born 2nd November, known by the initialism SRK, is an Indian actor and film producer. Yep, he was able to give it correctly. So this through this recording, I showed how we can integrate with Google Cloud Functions. Although it's a very um, like a quick POC type of integration, but you can think of how powerful this integration is, right? So if in an organization I have multiple application systems which are siloed, not talk to each other, right? I can have an agent like this integrate with cloud functions and make the integration do in a very smooth way, right? In a very seamless way. And this is where so I keep on saying that this agentic architecture brings the semantic and the syntactic world together. And this is an instance of how we can bring the semantic and the syntactic world together. So that's all for today. Thank you.